Hello and welcome to today's video Pleasure Island. Rides, where are they now? Please remember to like and share and subscribe if you like the video. Pleasure Island Cleethorpes was a theme park located in Grimsby. Our first ride we gonna start off with Terra Rock. Terra Rock. Operated at the park 1998 to the park's closure in 2016. Terra Rock is a top spin built by Italian manufacturer Fabri. Terra is now located at Sinbad Land, Iraq, and fans of the park will be happy to hear the ride keep its iconic name. What memories do you have from this ride? Video credits go to Themepark Worldwide. We couldn't find any footage of the ride at its new park, unfortunately. Next, we're going to take a look at Pendulas. Operated at the park 2003 till the park's closure in 2016. Pendulas is a frisbee built by German manufacturer Huss. Ride footage credits go to Sean Hughes. Did you get to ride this ride at Pleasure Island? If so, what memories do you have from the ride? And the ride was sold to Flambard's theme park in Helston, Cornwall, after the park's closure and has now been renamed Skyforce. Have you been to its new park? If so, what do you think of the ride's new park? Our next ride is Obliterator. The Obliterator was brought to Pleasure Island from Flamingo Land in 2008. Obliterator was at the park until the park's closure in 2016. The ride has been fully refurbished and is in operation at Baghdad Island Park, Iraq. The ride's new name is Evolution. Video credits go to Themepark Worldwide. What was your opinions of this ride while it was at Pleasure Island? Obliterator was built by Italian manufacturer Fabri. Do you have any memories from this ride? If so, put them in the comments below. The next ride is Hyperblaster. Operated at the park 2000 to 2016. Hyperblaster was manufactured by S&S Worldwide. Hyperblaster has been fully refurbished and sold onto another theme park. It has since reappeared at Chicago's Navy Pier in America and renamed Drop Tower. Credits go to Chris Chapman. What memories have you got from this ride? Please put them in the comments. Our next clip, we're gonna talk a little about Boomerang Pleasure Island roller coaster. Boomerang operated at Pleasure Island from 1993 to 2016 when the park closed. Boomerang is manufactured by Vekoma, a Dutch manufacturer. Its length was 935 foot and tracked with a maximum height of 116.5 foot and reached speeds of 47 miles per hour with a total 3 inversions. Video credits go to Psyclonesteve. Since Pleasure Island closed, Boomerang has been fully refurbished and is operational in Trans Studio Bali, Indonesia, and has kept its iconic name. There is also a replica of this ride at Pleasurewood Hills in Norfolk, which originally came from the former Themepark American adventure named Missile. Did you know there are still 55 Boomerang roller coaster fully operational in the world today? What memories have you got from this Vekoma roller coaster? Please remember, if you like this video, to like and share and subscribe for future videos. We too will try and reply to all of the comments. To be continued. To let us know you want more, subscribe and like.